In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Crunchyroll account step by step using the Crunchyroll app. First, go to the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Crunchyroll. Download and install the app on your device, but in my mobile phone, it was already installed. Once it's installed, open it up and wait for the main interface to load. Now, if you see any ads or pop ups, just close them. Then tap on Create Account at the bottom of the screen. Here, enter your email address and a strong password. This is your Crunchyroll login information, so make sure it's correct. After filling it in, tap on Create Account again. At this point, it may offer you a premium subscription, but if you just want the free version, simply tap Skip for now. Now, allow or deny notifications based on your preference, and you're done. If it shows it, then click on your profile. You are now inside your Crunchyroll account and ready to explore anime content, use the anime streaming app features, and start watching instantly. So yeah, that's how you create a Crunchyroll account quickly and easily.